So this is Taffy, and Taylor has ruined Tank and I's life because he sent us a documentary style thing about train travel. And after we watched the whole thing, we decided we needed to take a train. So we are currently in Tampa's Union Station. Say hello.
Hello there.
And we are going to go on a train, which we lived in Europe. That's not that big of a deal, but here it is a big deal. So that's what we're going to do. And again, we blame Taylor. We'll report back later. So apparently it is notorious for Amtrak to be delayed. And we are currently delayed by about 2 hours. We're supposed to leave at 11 something, and now it's going to be almost 1:45. But we're enjoying all of our new friends. So we are officially on the Amtrak. Silver Line. We will report later. But so far, it's been pretty smooth. We are in Plant City. That fast. Plant City is up by Lakeland. Say hello.
Hello.
This is the car that you can sit on to eat. There's nobody in here right now. But I'm getting hooked up. You'll love this. They have tamales, grilled cheese and little snacky things, and a bar. There she is, looking fabulous. So we have a blue corn and veggie tamale with Tabasco and Chalky's chocolate chip. So there you have it. So we have a tamale. Okay. I have a wide angle, so you're gonna look like your neck is about 16 inches wide, but that way I could get everything. Okay.
It's a blue corn and vegetable.
No?
That's okay.
Okay. Okay. Got this natural light glow. So far, 10 out of 10. Because I normally drive everywhere, so I spoke too soon. I normally drive everywhere, and so I don't have to drive. And normally if you have turbulence on a plane, you just assume that you're about to die. But this is just like a little shake here and there. And we've got to see cows and horses and boats. So far, I'm a fan. We're coming across Lake Okeechobee. We'll see. On most travel podcasts, they have a sponsor. And about halfway through the show, they do their sponsor. I don't have a sponsor. You could hear the train whistle. However, I'm going to just say that this episode is being brought to you by Kaylin Swanson hand sanitizer because I'm damn near done with this bottle because I've used it. So that's my sponsor today. Thanks, Kaylin Swanson. It's time for Train Thoughts with Taffy. I love it. Tank cannot get comfortable, which makes me unhappy for him. Say hello.
Hello there.
I'm good. So it has taken us about 3 hours to get from Tampa we're almost to West Palm Beach. So we crossed the state. I don't think that's that bad. It would have taken that long to drive in a car, and the ride's been delightful. So I will give you Tank's thoughts when we get to our hotel. Hornigan, we have made it to our hotel. It's the oldest hotel in West Palm Beach. What? It's very early, and I'm in the hotel lobby because Tank's still asleep and there's nowhere for me to do this and drink coffee. And apparently all the mowers in West Palm Beach start around 5 o'clock in the morning. Also, can we talk about this eyebrow game? Are we offended by it? Or do we appreciate it? Do we know? And for those of you wondering if I have a filter on this morning, the answer is 100,000% yes, because that's my love for you all. I'm saving you from this without a filter this early. So you know, that's the real gift. This is no filter because I figured, you know what? That's life. This hair is life. Y'all. Yep. So we are delayed again. Apparently this is notorious. What happens is the Amtrak runs on a delay. So we are about a half an hour late to head back to Taffy. But West Palm Beach has been amazing. We've had a great time. And it's very loud. Berth on this one. We are definitely going to Hogwarts, there's no question.
Where are you supposed to be? Well, they've got letters. So I'm not sure which is which.
Our little compartments and lights. So this is our roomette hallway. And then this is where we get to have a private room. And we have hangers and our own air conditioning. And that's Martin. Hello. Would you like to show us the sink? Oh, very nice. And apparently there's a potty underneath there, but we're not going to use it. Yeah, no. So we are in our room. So far, the Amtrak experience, for me personally, it's like a 9 out of 10. I have very, very, very few complaints, and I am someone who normally has them, but tend to look on the more positive side. In fact, our little man at the train station recognized us today because he said yesterday he could tell that I just had a positive light around me. Sure. It's because Taylor's not with me. That's why there's positivity. He's not going to keep that in, so it'll be fine. I think so. So we just heard a story.
A story.
Apparently this morning, what did they do to a passenger in coach?
They put him off of the train. They put him out at the next station.
Oh,
There was somebody else that had been put out by them slowing the train down and putting him out like at the next railroad crossing.
okay, because I was going to say, he
Yes.
made it sound like they
'Cause
were
he
not
was
at a station.
Drunk and belligerent and kept lighting up cigarettes.
And that's a no-no.
Yes. The engineer of the train, the conductor, and one of the other attendants assisted him off of the train with his baggage and said,
But
"See
not
ya."
at a station.
Not at a station.
I
Just
mean-
slow down at a railroad crossing and said, "This is where your ride stops, sir.
That's
We don't play that game on Amtrak."
That's the difference between a flight and a train.
Yes, because on our train, they put a guy off from coach because he refused to stop FaceTiming without earphones in.
That's right.
He was FaceTiming. They said, "Sir, you need to wear earbuds if you're going to do that. We would prefer you not FaceTime at all." And he continued to talk loudly with his microphone and his speakers going.
Oh,
Now we're stopping in Lakeland.
well, when we misbehave,
Yep.
consequences.
Yep. So basically it's don't show your ass because Amtrak don't mess with that.
Again, that's why Babalu can't travel with us. He's the rebel rouser of the group. Taylor and I just get bad. We get bad. Don't even. We're the ones who get the bad. What's what I'm looking for? Reputation about being. Well,
Right.
Taylor is a diva. I just expect everything to be the way I want it, and then
Because it's the way it's supposed to be.
it's the correct way. Exactly. Thank you very much.
You want them to be efficient and do things correctly.
Exactly.
If it also happens to be your way, then
So much
be it.
better. Exactly.
Absolutely.
All right. I love you.
I love you.
Why did you make a weird face?
This is for your listeners.
They know I love you.
Okay.
They don't care.
You're acting like it's we're
Phone
on
call.
we're on a FaceTime. We're doing the FaceTime together, and you know
The
and
FaceTime?
Yeah,
How
the
old are you?
FaceTime, and that was part of the joke, woman.
Grandpa. Elderly. I love you. Now I can't stop saying it. That's all right. We got officially moved to a big room. Hello. And apparently that door goes to our private shower. Yes, so you can pull it. So I'm taking the full room. There's the bunk. And there's the bed area. This is a very big one-bedroom suite, we call it, because there's the toilet. And I'm standing in the shower to take this video. Just, again, it's not a bad... Not a bad layout, really.
Oh, excuse me. I think I might need to use the restroom.
The facility. Feel better about yourself?
I do. And I'm going to the bathroom.
You didn't lock it. That's why.